Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and use container shapes in draw.io to collapse and expand content. This is a really useful feature when you're building complex diagrams and want to keep your workspace clean and organized without losing any of your work. First, open your web browser and navigate to draw.io.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button displayed prominently on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new tab where you can begin creating your diagrams. You might need to wait a moment while the drawing interface loads completely. Once the drawing interface appears, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen filled with various shapes and elements you can use. This is your shape library. Click on any shape that you'd like to use as your container. It could be a rectangle, circle, or any other shape depending on your preference and what makes sense for your diagram's structure. After selecting your shape, drag it onto the canvas and resize it to make it a little bit bigger. This is important because you'll be placing other shapes and elements inside this container, so it needs enough space to hold your content comfortably. To resize it, simply click and drag the corners or edges until you're satisfied with the size. Now, here's the key step. With your shape selected, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut transforms your regular shape into a container shape. You'll immediately notice a minus icon appear on the corner of the shape. This minus icon is your visual confirmation that the shape is now ready to function as a container and can group other elements inside it. With your container ready, it's time to populate it with content. Drag additional shapes from the left panel onto your canvas and position them inside your container shape. You can create any kind of diagram you want inside this container, whether it's a flowchart, organizational chart, or any other visual representation. Arrange these shapes to build your diagram structure exactly how you need it. Once you finish creating your diagram inside the container, you can test the collapse and expand functionality. Click on the minus icon that appeared earlier on the corner of your container shape. When you do this, all the diagram elements inside the container will instantly hide from view, keeping your workspace neat and uncluttered. And that's it. You've successfully created a container shape in draw.io that can collapse and expand your content. This feature is perfect for managing large, complex diagrams where you need to focus on different sections at different times. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.